Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow green chili plants. First, select high-quality green chili seeds. Plant them about 1/4 inch deep in a good seed starting mix. Ensure the soil stays consistently moist but not waterlogged. A warm environment, ideally between 75 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, is crucial for successful germination. This initial step sets the foundation for healthy plant growth. Once your seedlings develop 2 sets of true leaves, they are ready for transplanting. Carefully move them to larger pots or directly into your garden bed. Give each plant ample space, about 18 to 24 inches apart, to allow for proper air circulation and growth. Green chili plants thrive in full sun, so ensure they receive at least 6 hours of direct sunlight every day. Consistent watering is key for healthy green chili plants. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch, but be careful not to overwater, as this can lead to root rot. Begin fertilizing when the plants are about 6 inches tall, using a balanced liquid fertilizer every 2 to 4 weeks. This provides essential nutrients for strong growth and abundant fruit production. Keep an eye out for common garden pests such as aphids or spider mites. Early detection makes control much easier. Organic insecticidal soap can be very effective. Your green chilies will be ready to harvest when they reach their mature size and a vibrant green color, usually about 60 to 90 days after transplanting. Enjoy your fresh, homegrown chilies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.